Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you chicken cordon bleu, my version. I have here chicken breast and we will flatten it by rolling pin. We will season our flattened breast with salt, pepper, and mustard. Brush it with mustard. First come our ham and then our cheese. I use Emmental cheese, guys, and rolled it. We will cover it with saran wrap and put it in the chill for about 15 minutes. Chiller 15 minutes before breading. First flour, then egg. For our cheese sauce, butter, flour, milk, Parmesan cheese, salt and black mustard. Now we fry. Chicken cordon bleu, my version. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.